Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, search YouTube, update YouTube app if showing on Play Store or App Store. Tap on Hold YouTube app, click on I button, tap on Storage, tap on Clear Data, tap on Delete. Now go to YouTube app profile or U icon. Your 2025 recap is here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.